In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a channel private in ClickUp. So if you like to restrict the channel to only channel members in ClickUp, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp workspace. And once you are here, go to channel section and select the channel you would like to make private. Once you have clicked on it, now head over to the channel name up here and click on these ellipses. Under this, you can see we have an option to make channel private. So if you go ahead and make private, you're told private channels can only be accessed by users you explicitly invite. So I'll go ahead and make it private. And now you can see we have a padlock or a lock next to the channel, meaning no one can participate or can access this channel apart from the ones you invite. However, if you want to make it public, you can still come again here and click on the ellipses and then make it public by clicking on it here. And when you select make public, the lock will be removed and now the channel will be available. So that's how you can make a channel private or public in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.